We're selling it.
I'm Chris Meyer. Join me and the Legendary Customs team as we take ordinary rides and craft them into legendary customs.
Hey everybody, Chris with Legendary Customs. If you like what you see, hit the like button below and subscribe to our YouTube channel. This Willys pickup truck has been sitting here this many years. Every once in a while, when we don't have an opening, a client will still want to get onto our waiting list and they will send their vehicle anyway. Right now we have a 1952 Ford panel wagon and this 49 Willys pickup truck that are both in the exact same situation, waiting for us to have an opening. They're on our waiting list. This is the next one. The 52 is right after that. As soon as the 58 Chevy is completed, that will come in. But anyway, today's the day. The 1981 Camaro is completed, gone. This is the next one in. So, we're gonna sacrifice a tree to get this in to the shop.
Then they begin their cutting their way into trees that may be as old as our civilization.
Dave, come and push this back a little bit.
So the saws keep working and the axemen bring the tree down, figuring the fall carefully so as not to hit other trees and splinter the wood. When the cutting is finished, the men get away fast from the base of the tree as it falls, for sometimes trees twist or fall in a way not expected.
One tree out of the way. All of you tree huggers, don't even bother responding. It's good. Now, I am hoping that this makes our life easier. Hope this fits the Dirty Willys. So, the vehicle behind me has been dubbed the Dirty Willys, and you'll see why when we're starting. Don't Google that, because you're ending up all sorts of websites that I am not promoting at all.
Porn, right?
You know, they have 3 X's in front of it, the Dirty Willys. Don't do it, not worth it. She had a random Oldsmobile key at her home. This is an Oldsmobile steering column. Our life just got much easier. The steering was locked in the position that it was in, but with this key we'll be able to turn it. We're going to take and pull it up into the shop and it'll be ready to go. We're going to do a quick walk around. This is a pretty doggone clean truck. It has dents and dings, but that doesn't matter too terribly much because of what we're going to do with it. It comes with not 1, but 2 transmissions. This one has a tranny hook to it. This is a Ford motor. Don't know the condition of that Ford motor. Has a Willys pickup truck rear tailgate that's desirable with the W in it. W-O. I'm thinking this is on a 70s Chevy frame. Not positive yet. We have to identify it. But this is the beginning. Like I said, there's a motor in there, transmission in there, another motor in there, another transmission underneath. So we got motors and transmissions coming out of our ears. Anyway, quick walk around completed. We're gonna hook it up, pull it up top. Here we go. The Dirty Willys, under construction, day 1. Take and tap your brakes, see if they work. Yeah? Awesome. The old plow truck pulling the old Willys. All right, the Dirty Willys is coming into the shop for the very first time. Made it up the hill, nobody died, all is going great. We found out it does have brakes. We don't know if it has a running motor or not, but we will find out. Perfect. It is in the shop. Success. The old snowplow truck made it work.
I've never given up on you. I've never given up on you. This time I know it really do. But I've never given up on you. I've never given up on you. I've never given up on you. And now I'm going back to blue. But I've never given up on you.
You know what? I bet you we could do that again.
Oh, probably, but probably not as good as the first time around, or at least not in my
Are you
mind.
recording?
I am now.
Oh geez, sorry. Okay, so I heard in the background when I was over there that this moved a butt ton. Nate, what's a butt ton?
A little less than a metric fuck ton.
Okay.
That was a good response.
English.
That was like spot on, Nate.
Alright, we're in.
It roughly should be. When this goes over to be done, I think we're gonna send this over along with this over, and hopefully we'll have the cab back into epoxy.
Okay.
So then they can do the mounting of this, so we have the clearance for the drive line and all of that. But I want the brackets, let's say we need 6 inches.
Yeah.
I want them 8 or 10 inches, so they can cut them to whatever's necessary.
Yep. Okay.
I really enjoy what you did on that.
Okay.
For the design, the circles and stuff,
Yep.
just dress them up a little bit.
Okay.
This is gonna be a mud vehicle, so those circles will help the crap fall through instead of packing up and
Yep.
clogging up crap. Why, we're so much bigger on that side than this side.
It's an illusion. These measure the same, but because of the hole that was cut there for because of the 2 holes,
Okay.
it looks bigger on that side.
So from here to here is the same from there to there?
Yeah.
Okay, all right.
Yeah, it's been messing our eyes. The
Are we
other thing that's goofy is that this is the center line of the truck.
Okay,
This is the center line of the tunnel. The tunnel is factory moved over an inch off center.
okay, so that's why we're an inch further this way.
So right now we've got the motor centered,
Okay.
but
The motor center from here to here and here to
Yeah,
here?
yeah.
Okay,
I'm leaning towards using that inch and centering on the tunnel to give us some more room for the steering column over there, because it is really tight.
Actually think we'll take a walk downstairs. It's David working on that. My guess is, if there are parts done, Zach is down here getting them into epoxy or ready. Keep them sealed up. Still hard at it. I think we're gonna have to call it here pretty soon. Started early this morning. And as you can see, the sun is setting. So that is signifying the end of our workday. Just about 10 hours in. And yeah, it was a good day. It's a cold day, 42 degrees. I mean, I guess for a winter day, that's relatively warm. So, I guess that's it. Have a good night.